Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your BMW X3 brake pad light. First, it is crucial to ensure that your brake pads and wear sensors have been replaced if they were worn. Next, turn on your vehicle's ignition without starting the engine. Simply press the start-stop button 2 times. Make sure all doors are closed for the system to properly initialize. Now, let's access the service menu. Find the small trip reset button on your instrument cluster, usually located near the speedometer. Press and hold this button for about 10 seconds. Keep holding until the service menu appears on your dashboard display. Once you see the menu, you can release the button. With the service menu active, use short, quick presses of the same button to cycle through the available options. Stop when you see the brake pad or brake service option highlighted. To perform the reset, press and hold the button once more for about 5 to 10 seconds. The display should then confirm reset successful or show a progress bar. Alternatively, if your BMW X3 has the iDrive system, you can navigate to My Vehicle and then Vehicle Status. From there, select the brake pad warning icon and choose Reset to clear the light. If, after several attempts, the brake pad warning light remains on, it is best to consult a qualified technician to diagnose any underlying issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.